Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 9 chapter 1 science chapter 1 matter in our surrounding. In the previous video I have explained to you about that what is matter, physical and chemical classification of matter. I have written each and every topic related to this chapter, that what we are going to study and what we have studied. Each and everything I have mentioned in this board. Matter, physical nature of matter, characteristics of matter, physical states of matter, change of states of matter, factors affecting change of states of matter are melting, freezing, boiling, condensation, evaporation, solidification, sublimation. Factors affecting the rate of diffusion like density, temperature and physical states. So before starting this chapter, in the previous video I had explained to you about that what is matter. Matter, anything which occupies space, have some mass and can be judged by our sense organ is called matter. Matter classification I have done it, and into the physical classification and chemical classification. Physical classification I had informed you. The physical states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensation. And after that, in the chemical classification I explained to you about the elements, compound. These both are pure substances, and mixture is of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Now the next topic was, after physical states, characteristics. What do we mean by characteristics? Characteristics means what are the qualities of the matter, how are the matter, means their color, their states, each and everything come in the characteristics of the matter. And after the change of states of matter, I had informed you in the previous video about solid to liquid, liquid to gas. How do this matter changes? As the solid is heated, it changes into the liquid, liquid is heated, it changes into the gas, and gas is cooled, it changes into the liquid, liquid is cooled, it changes into the solid. So these was all these things we have studied in the first part of class 9 science chapter 1. Now in the second part I have informed you about the melting point, freezing, boiling, condensation, evaporation, solidification, sublimation. See, melting point, when any solid gets heat, definitely it starts melting, whatever would be the temperature of that type of solid. So melting starts as the solid gain the heat, right? Second one is freezing. As freezing means what? As the liquid gets more and more cooling, it's changed into the freezing. Boiling means when any solid materials get more and more heat, as for example water starts boiling, liquid gets more and more amount of heat, it starts boiling. Condensation means cooling of a liquid material, it condenses and changes into the solid. Evaporations means vaporizations, how do the liquid vapors evaporate it. Solidifications means converting into the solid. And last one was sublimation, the process of changing from solid to vapor or solid to gas is called, directly solid to gas is called sublimation. These are all the things were explained in the previous video. In this video I just want to inform you about the factors affecting the rate of diffusion. What are the factors which affect the rate of diffusion? How we will know that factors are affecting the rate of diffusion? Means first one is density. Density is equal to mass upon volume, right? The rate of diffusion, especially in the density, if I talk about, the rate of diffusion depends upon the density of liquid. Higher the density, lesser will be the rate of diffusion. As the density value means density value will be more, so the diffusion will be less. Second point is temperature. All of us know the rate of diffusion depends upon the temperature. The rate of diffusion increases, the increase of the temperature, which can show experimentally. Definitely, you know very well. As the temperature will be increased, so the diffusion in the solid particles will be also increased, because as the temperature increases, the atoms and molecules, particles try to increase their shape and size. So that's why the temperature will increase, so diffusion will be increased. And the physical states, as solid can diffuse into liquid, liquid can diffuse into the gas, and means if I ask that which will increase faster, the solid can diffuse into the liquid slowly, whereas liquid can diffuse means liquid can diffuse into liquid faster, and gas can also diffuse into liquid. So these were the three factors which affecting the rate of diffusion. In this whole chapter, just go through it. Matter around us means in our surrounding, what are the matters, what are the states of matter, physical states, chemical states, elements, compounds and mixture. And after then read all the chapter 1 and chapter part 1 and part 2 videos experimentally, what I have said about the melting, freezing, boiling, condensation, evaporation, solidification, sublimation, and today I talked about the diffusion. So this is the main topic of chapter 1. If you have any doubt related chapter 1, then please comment in this below video so I can get that what type of doubt you are facing. And if you have liked this video, means you have enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment the video that how are you feel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for getting latest information. Thank you very much.